Hey crafty cuties, in this video I am just going to show you how to use this fun paper clipper. I got mine in a subscription box by Your Creative Studio and it just came with a few refill clips, but if I can find any other links to where you can get this and the refills, I will put it down below. And this is the packaging that it came in. It's actually a fun little tool to have in the craft room. I'm actually just going to take like a little bundle of paper to demonstrate this for you, and it's really simple. So you're going to take your clips and you are going to slide it into this spot right here, and you want to make sure that the narrowest end of the clip is facing to the left, which is going to be where it comes out. So you just pop it in right here. And you'll notice that it can't go until you actually give it a nice push. So you do want to push and it will go in, and then it's going to slide down to this end right here. And this area right here is where you're going to put your papers or whatever you're clipping together. And so I'm going to just get mine lined up nicely. I'm making some cute little like clipboard paper pads for my journal. And so you're going to take your clipper, just make sure that all of the papers are lined up as straight as they can, and then you're going to take this little gray lever and just push it all the way to the left in like one brisk motion. And you do have to push a little bit hard, but nothing you can't do with just like your thumb. And there you have it. So I made these right here, and everything is in here super nice, and I mean, it can move around. So think of it like any kind of clip that you have. You know, things can move around, but nothing's going to fall out. It is a super nice, tight fit. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.